Again, this is a short conversation with Burundian youth living in Australia, South Australia, Adelaide. We're going to start by, what's your name?
Ivania Shugagirman, and I live in Adelaide.
And say hi to everybody.
Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Gw'Abarundi.
Hello everyone, my name is Claudine Kwizera. Adelaide.
Good.
Hello everyone, my name is Lucky Boy Muri, Ciza.
Hello everyone, my name is Ndayiragije.
Good job.
Hello everyone, my name is Ndayiragije.
Hello everyone, my name is Adelaide.
Hello, my name is Sharabi. Hello everyone, my name is Success Bay. I'm a Hello everyone, my name is Lawrence.
Hi everyone, my name is Lana.
Here you go. Just to let you know that all of them are from Burundi. Am I right? They are originally from Burundi. And the message that I'm always giving to the youth of today, Burundians, youth, wherever they are in the world, remember that you are not the leader of tomorrow, you are the leader of today. So that's why I would like to have that little conversation with everybody, so I can be able to understand the issues, the problems that you're facing as the youth, and what can be done to overcome any situation that is normal for you to achieve your dreams or achieve your educations. So we're gonna start by yourself. What's your name? What are the main issues that you as a youth are facing and that you want your parents and the government and the other people to solve?
My name is Adelaide. I mentioned that before. I'm not sure if I can say the government can solve this, but I think it's something that the community can help solve. I would say it's unity, reminding ourselves of the culture, the Burundian culture. That's something that the youth of today, we're not really connected to as much. I feel as though the Burundian in Australia are more connected to religion, which is not a bad thing itself, but we have to remember where we come from, because that's the first thing that will connect ourselves back home, to our language, to our culture, to our music, to our traditions. So I think that's a problem that the Burundian youth in Australia face, is that our families don't connect us as much to our own culture.
Thank you. But what can be done? You said the problem is unity. People and the youth are not united.
Yeah.
What can be done to make sure there is unity among youths and all Burundians abroad?
I think having an open mind towards other Burundians from different parts of Australia and different parts of religion. I think that's one thing that's dividing Burundians here in Australia, is the religion side of it. So that it doesn't cause unity between all of us.
As I said, you are not the leader of tomorrow, you are the leader of today. What are you doing to resolve the issue?
I'm trying to bring the youth closer by incorporating our culture and our traditions. I am now a part of the Burundian community as a youth leader of South Australia. So with that, I do plan to bring the youth together by including our culture and traditions and bringing it back, but also connecting the students and to.
Good, nice. And I like the way you dress, by the way.
Thank you.
That's so cultural. Thanks. Okay. The floor is yours. Give to him. Just get a microphone. Say something.
She said majority. Yeah, there's many events that bring us close together, but I think we need to be closer, like what she said. I think being united as a Burundian youth community will be a great thing, and ensure like great standards to other communities, and also make us look great.
What is your plan for Burundi?
Yeah, I guess helping my relatives back there. And some of them may be struggling with like money, food, water, houses, etc. If like helping them and putting them as my main priority. priority would be amazing.
Good job. Okay, so now the floor is busy. Okay, here's another question, totally different question. So now I need to understand. Are you in school?
Yeah, of course.
You are? Okay. What are you doing to unite all Burundian youth in Adelaide?
Obviously, doing activities together. What I usually do is play soccer all day. That's together as most of them go to different paths and different ways. When I'm with other mates, I usually get everyone was and go check and play soccer. They just leave me the right way. So.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you him. What is your plan to your family?
For the family, hopefully with the course I'm doing, because I'm doing real estate, hopefully I'm able to retire my parents in the future. Because they want to retire in Brookies, but possibly sending them back to Brookie and continuously sending them money so they're able to retire peacefully.
Okay. Good job. But what do you have any message for all Burundians living abroad as diaspora members? Including everybody living in Australia, Canada, America, all continents. What's your message for today?
My message is basically just to stay united and like try not to fall into the peer pressure. And yeah, that's all.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Your name? What's your name? Okay, so the question to you. Why are you dressing like that today? Yes.
This is supposed to be something serious. Just want to dress like this because that's how we dress as musicians. So special days like Christmas, Easter, New Year's, we like to dress properly as Afghan gentlemen. Men, we want to dress like proper men. So, yeah.
That's a good one. That's why I'm asking. There is good dress, and I want you to dress up like that always. After shift, you go to shift. You have any shift? Yeah. After shift, yes, do that. But when you go to shift, dress like you go to work. Yeah. Okay. So the question to you: what is your plan for all young women in the diaspora?
Can you be more specific?
No, I just need to know, do you have any idea how you can support them, what you see they're struggling with, and how you can help them?
I'd say the way to support them is just like, giving more praise to them and actually like, how do I say it? Just making like praising them, because like I feel like as there's not a lot of like unity between the men and the women. The men and the women have feelings between you as united. So I would say the plan is just like come together, just support each other, and just uplift each other, and like whatever like they dream of, just support each other with one.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Oh, she has a microphone. Okay, that's fine. Okay, your name again? Eliane. What is a special thing that you think Burundians living in diaspora, they don't know about? Narukundo Bagira. Okay, that's true. Can you say that in English?
Don't put others, other people also move forward.
Oh, okay, good. No, no, wait, he was not a couple of this.
Since
noneho uhanura iki ni ikihe kintu ubona ugomba kubona mu buzima bwawe none ubwira iki abari muri diaspora ko tuvuga diaspora yunze ubumwe y'ibikorwa idasinzira wowe wabwira iki abandi bana ubundi rwaruka ababyeyi message ubaha n'ibindi bakore mu bumwe urakoze cyane imana ikunezagire kaba mukomera amashyi byaguseguye cyane good job okay what's your name?
Name's Danny.
Okay, Danny. Okay, good. How old are you?
14 years old.
14 years old. Do you have any problem? You don't have any problem? Does the community has issues that need to be resolved or solved by you, me, or everybody?
Not specifically like by me or one person, but together as a community, we just like we can be together like as a community, like do activities together. You know, just coming together. That's one thing as the Burundian youth community we can do tonight. You know.
But you don't have any list that you have already composed. The list that has those issues, saying this one can be resolved by me, or my mom, my dad, my brother, the leaders of the community, or the government. No any issues that can be resolved by us here. Because as I said, you are not the leader of tomorrow, you are leaders of today, of now. What can you, just bring any issue so we can resolve it right now.
Probably like some issues that we're probably facing today in our time is probably some of the younger Burundian youth being disconnected from their Burundian culture. That's probably one problem that we probably have.
Okay, some of them are disconnected. Okay, what are you doing to help them to come back to their own culture?
As of now, I'm not really doing anything to solve that problem. It's just a problem that I've addressed, I've seen. That's been happening.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. So the youth are disconnected. That's very important. Are you guys disconnected? Are you? Are you? I don't think you guys are. You are seeing your own culture, as I see. That's good. But we have the mission to help those who are disconnected eventually come back to us. Okay, so now, do you love Burundian diaspora?
For me, I believe Burundi diaspora is people who are in different countries, let's say Canada, Australia, Burundians that live outside of Burundi. That's our people called Burundian diaspora. Or people who live outside of Burundi, those are people called diaspora.
Alright, that is the diaspora. everyone living out of the country for more than 6 months, especially in Burundi, they are called diaspora members. We call them Burundian diaspora members because we are living abroad, out of the country. But we believe and we know our origin is Burundi. As a member of Burundian diaspora, what should be done to change the future of Burundi?
I think we could like help the Burundians who are still in Burundi.
What is the message for other diaspora members?
So like, never forget where you came from. Always embrace your culture and to remember that Burundi.
Good. Thank you very much. That's important. Okay, give to me. As young, what are issues your generation is facing now?
I believe they have said most of them that people are facing now, which is, as my sister said, it's more like there's no connection, which we don't have at the moment as Burundians. There's no cultural things that we're doing to remember where we come from, which is, let's say, remembering our tradition, food, dances, like Ingoma, Gw'Abarundi. There's some people who don't play those things or teach them of how, Burundians we are like the symbol of Burundians. We don't know those things. Even our own language, some of us, we don't even know our own language, which is very strong thing that we should keep to ourselves. So what we should do as Burundian diaspora, I think we should come together, teach those young people who don't understand Kirundi, because they're Burundians, teach them the past generations, how they were like, how to improve in their daily lives, because I feel like we've lost our identity. Thank you. We've lost our identity of knowing who's Burundian and where we come from and where we are going. That's why even though some people go back to Burundi, we are struggling more to speak our own language because we didn't get that chance to learn Kirundi, Gw'Abarundi. So
thank you. That is really important. Okay. Do you know any song that talks about unity? Huh? You don't? Any poem? Just make your own poem or your own song or your own speech about unity. Tell every Burundian to unite, come together, and why the unity is very important.
As a community, we should be united because as a community, we are stronger and we're faster and much bigger. Yeah.
Good, thank you. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Thank you very much. Okay? It seems like you like to sing.
yeah, just for fun though.
Yeah, can you sing any song that help us to come together? Unit. When I mean coming together, that means we can even sing any gospel song.
Can you be in Swahili?
Doesn't matter any language.
Umoja, 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 umoja.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so you guys are gonna help us, right? Let's sing this together if you know it.
Umoja, 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 umoja.
Ah, that's great. What means umoja?
Umoja is unity. It signifies people coming together, lifting each other up, regardless of the positive or negative circumstances that they're going through, and encouraging each other to keep going.
Good, nice. So I'm here in Australia, looking for unity of all Burundians, youth, elders, everybody, so we can see all Burundians in unity. So what is your message? Is that your song, Umoja?
Firstly, I would like to appreciate the movement that is going on around the diaspora organization. It's quite fascinating what you guys are trying to bring together, and personally, I appreciate the efforts that you guys are doing together. And unity in South Australia, it's something that our elders try to put together for us, but as other young people have said, we as young people were not really connected, or we do not understand what our culture is, or what it means to be connected with who we are or where we come from. So we are not really united in a way that we can say it's unity. Mostly it's caused by religion, I would say, and personal things that happen back home. So people don't really come together because of those issues that they put up front. So it becomes like a barrier.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Is this song Umoja a song?
No, it's a church song.
It's a church song.
Yeah, it's a gospel song.
But I want you guys to come on together and make a song for unity for all Burundians in the diaspora. I think you can do that. Not today, but maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, we can put the efforts together. Most people here, they can sing their
So
choirs.
the only thing I want you to do is what you're talking right now, everything you're saying, you're singing, put that into actions. Make sure you are united first before you tell others to unite. Are you united? Are you? You are? That's great. That's great. Then come up together with a new song for the diaspora. Call everybody to unite. And then when you're done with that song, let me know so we can put that out to all Burundians so they can get that beautiful and good message in that song. Who's going to make that? Are you going to lead that project?
Claudine should do that.
Who? Claudine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Claudine and what's your name?
Devania.
Claudine and Devania. So that's the project you're going to make. In 2 weeks, make sure I get that song. Right? Is a wake-up call to everybody. And I want your support.
Even as possible, the song. Even now they can make a song.
They can now?
They are confident, shall know.
Make one now for Umoja. For unity. Make one small.
Well, we'll need more time so we can actually make good music for it. Even with the hood and you so we need to do something good. Circle boys and girls.
Okay, it's okay. I'll give you more time, but I'll be happy to hear your song. And then we can, I think I'll talk to the pastor of the church and the other people, and I believe they will give some sponsorship for that song, so that it can be audio and a visual video to everybody. Right? Deal?
Yeah.
Good, nice. Thank you very much. That was wonderful. So, do you have any question for me before I leave? No, any question?
I have a suggestion.
Yes.
It's not really a question. Well, like when things are going on, like you guys are planning stuff, I feel like you should make a page where you announce what's going on, because like yesterday there was like voting going on and I'm sure most young people didn't know about it. So I feel like you should utilize social media to connect with other young people, other youth. And you know, I'm sure even our parents are on social media, so we can know what's going on within our community.
Thank you. That is what we've been working on, but we didn't make that as our priority because we're trying first to find that unity going everywhere. But very soon, those platforms will be out for you guys to use. And as I said, you are not the leader of tomorrow, you are leaders of today. So it's for that reason today, before I go, I need 5 names from here. I just need 5 names of you. I choose 5 here, give names, and then I'll go to connect you guys with other leaders in different countries. Then you start connecting. Can that work? Who's willing to be part of it? You and who? Who else? And you, and you, and who? And you? Why you declined the offer?
I'm not ready for that.
You are not. As I said, you are leader already. You are leading. Okay, who can be your president?
I think the 3 is good. The 3 goes.
How about you guys? Boys are not interested?
I think the boys are busy.
You guys are busy?
These young boys are still in school, they're still young, so for them to manage that is very hard. I'm still in uni, I can't manage that a lot. He's doing a course, time management.
Use the microphone.
Some of these boys here are still in school, they haven't completed high school. In uni, so I haven't completed that.
But you don't have to complete high school to become a leader.
No, like time managing, like the time, like trying to speak with these other brilliant leaders and making that time to be hard.
Yeah. But are you the speaker for all boys in this group?
Yeah, I think so.
Seriously? Yeah. Is he talking on your behalf? Is he talking on your behalf?
Yeah.
Is he talking on your behalf?
Yeah.
Okay, is he talking on your behalf?
Yeah, for sure.
Is he talking on your behalf? What did you let him? That's funny. That's very funny. So you are the speaker? Or you are the president?
No, I'll just say I'm the speaker.
You are the speaker. Yeah. So can you be, it seems like you are a good speaker. Can you be my speaker too?
No, not yet. Not ready for that.
Okay, it's okay. So, but I really need a couple names. I need the leaders that are going to help. 3 of them? Okay, it's okay. If you choose to be presented by ladies, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's what you love more?
Yes.
Okay. This is the situation at Adelaide. I've never seen this before. Okay, that's fine. So you all ladies, this group? No? Okay, good. I really appreciate. I think we had a good conversation. If you don't mind, I would like to have the names. Okay, who's the leading? You're leading, right? This one? Okay, do me a favor. I need names of everybody and phone numbers and their social medias so that we can start working right now. Remember, we are working and fighting for unity. So we can't sleep we have to start now. Okay? So from today, you guys are connected. From today, other youths are connected with you guys.
Excuse me, President.
Yes.
Within the South Australia diaspora, we have actually a plan to get them involved, the 3 young ladies in youth.
I think you can use the microphone. So you can you can give them a seat.
Yeah.
You can be there too.
Yeah, thank you for joining us.
You can stand up here.
Talking to the youth. It's a diaspora. As we mentioned actually today about lift up diaspora vision. We as a South Australia diaspora, we have a plan actually to have a chat with the young, and also, as I said, the project was to get the 3 young girls to be involved actually in the youth diaspora South Australia. I mean, in Valia, this is a team leader, I think so. What's her name again? Elena. And then that's a project that we're taking so that we can get together.
Okay. Good. That is a good idea. And Mr. President, I did want you to make sure that you put in personal commissions so that the youth or even women one, so everyone can be presented. Okay? Thank you, appreciate it. So now, before we go, we're going to sing you Umoja together, Umoja. Okay, let's sing you. Umoja means unity. Everybody. So, who are good singers? Give them the microphone. I need to hear that song. Who's singing? Okay, give it to her then. Okay, I'll give it to her. Okay, let's go.
Umoja, 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 umoja wa roho, umoja, umoja Burundi, umoja, 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 umoja.
mwagize neza cyane bari banezerewe amashimisho kuri mwanezerewe Imana yaje gufata agafoto rero keza ngaha aya nzobibuke mwebwe tuhagarare ngaha badufata agafoto sibyo yego neza cyane